Yeah. Shake, 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 shake. In the middle of the head. Did you start the engine again? In my workshop, you know, this car will bring us everywhere we want, but there is no guarantee that it will bring us back. And that's why you guys, you pay more. Okay guys, the first stage of wet plate process is to wet the plate.
So the plate is not dry.
That's right.
Huh.
Okay guys, we have 5% solution of dichromate. If we need 7.5 grams, how much milliliters do we need to take?
155.
That's correct! Bravo!